much you've been going through, and I'm someone you can hold on to. Gotta make some different choices. I'll be where you need me now. Take a breath and let it out. Don't listen to the voices.
eKsakhza bheka impilo yakabantu banomona ungabanaki, bazofona masophanda ungamangali, bazokhola masobanda ungananasi. Wena mena suke lapho khona uqashula amakeda, sukumele siko sabazali ukhesha, phinda ukhumbule kulo mhlaba kusenamnesana. I was born for this, now we believe lana singamasoja, asinakuphilisa kumele uphume ufoster, ngiyakufilipa uhlanganisa ibhola G. I was born for this, now we believe lana singamasoja, asinakuphilisa kumele uphume ufoster, ngiyakufilipa uhlanganisa ibhola G.
My life, my rules, I just do what most don't do. Make a choice, strategize my moves. Ain't tryna clear rumors, yeah it's true. I labang bangin, sleeping on the points of a combo free. Made it to the grind, they cheating on my state. I took all the other day, I'm ready. This shit ain't basic, but fuck it training. Ngulala nge deadlift, you'll never survive. Lana if I'm not passion, I can tell that to this reprise is what is lacking. That's why no figure give me phone scheme uhlale benching like that. Cause the pill is cut to sit those back. Kane pill on jaya I'm being a snack. Foot in jalo jaya I'm being a stem.
Ngenkunzi sesiqongweni ngenqale ngokubingelela ngithula isigqoko ngiyazehlisa mina ngintezolalela igama nginguSkhali ngiphume edodweni ngikabi masingaqejelana imkhonto ngagqeme ngeqiwantwala lena ngiyicabane kuthula uqoqela ugobaba nawe nkabi yamika uqine ekhaya ababheke wena bakhohliswa bangani lento uyibonayo abayiboni liqosha libhekile bazokuhlekisa enhlelweni uyothanda nawe ngamazi shwele nkabi yamika uqine sibanjokoza udla injobe enhle ithungele bandla nkabi kayihlande ngakumisa inkunzi isematholeni lana kufuneka inkani isibindi usoni nokuzethemba ukuzenzela wena lokho ngiqela ungakulibali kodwa lana emhlabeni yonke into yenzelwe imali kodwa kulesiba esikhulu mina ngiyinkunzi ekhonyayo lena inkunzi oshona idlozi elibhodla eligidayo.